Very good morning everyone. Today we are going to do page number 6060 of our test book. So here we are going to start our sentence with there is and there are. Let's see how to do that. Here are some sentences given, children. There is a bullock cart next to him. Here we have started the sentence with there is. There are many big bundles on it. Now here we have started the sentence with there are. Now we use there is to begin a sentence about one thing or one person. For example, the first sentence, there is a bullock cart, means one bullock cart next to him. So we have used the word there is, is for one thing. Okay. And what is the second one? There are many big bundles on it. Many big bundles. Many also shows you that it is more than one bundle. And bundles, S also shows us that it is more than one. So we use there are to talk about more than one thing or talk about many people. That is more than one. Okay children, when we talk about one thing or one person, we are going to use there is, is. And if we are talking about more than one thing or more than one people or many people, many means more than one, then we are going to use there are, A-R-E-R. Okay. For example, here one more sentence is given. Let's have a look. There is a swing in the park. Again, a swing means one swing. A means one and swing. S is not there. That means it is only one swing. If S is there, then we understand it is more than one. But here S is not there. That means it is only one swing. So we have used there is. We have started the sentence with there is. Okay. And the next one. There are benches in the park. Now come to this word benches. ES. That shows that it is more than one. So when we talk about more than one thing, what are we going to use? There are. A-R-E-R. There are. Okay. Okay, now let's go through these fill in the blanks and we'll see what we can put it here. There is or there are. Okay. Okay, the first one. Dash a shop at the end of the street. This has already been done for you. A shop. A shop means one. A also means one. And S is not there, that means it is one only. So we have written here there is, is we will use for one thing, that is a shop. There is a shop at the end of this street. Now come to the second one. Dash many animals in the forest. Now many means more than one. Animals, S again means more than one. So we have to write here there are, because we are using ARER for more than one thing or many people. Okay, so there are many animals in the forest. Okay children, these two sentences is already done for you. Let's have a look at the third one. Dash only one sun in the sky. Now look here, only means one only. And one again means one. Sun, S is not there. That also means only one. And you know, sun is only one. It cannot be more than one. So only one sun in the sky. So what are we going to use? There is or there are. For one thing, we are using there is. So we write here THERE there. is. There is only one sun in the sky. We have used is because one sun is there. Okay. Now come to the next one. Dash so many stars in the sky. So many means more than one. Stars, S again means more than one. So we are talking about more than one star. So what are we going to write here? There, A-R-E-R, because we are using there are for more than one thing. So we'll start with T-H-E-R-E there. A-R-E-R. There are so many stars in the sky. Okay. And the fifth one. Dash a book on the table. A book means one book. So what we will write? T-H-E-R-E there. I-S is. Is we are using for one. So there is a book, that means one book on the table. Okay. Look at the sixth one, children. Dash several books in the library. Several means many and books, again S is there, that means more than one. Dash several books in the library. So for more than one we are using A-R-E-R. So we will write here, there are several books in the library. Okay. Look at the seventh one. Dash is an orange in the fridge. Now is already written here, children. An orange means one. Is S there after orange? No. So that means one. Is orange one. Now is already written here. So we will write only T-H-E-R-E there. Okay. There is an orange in the fridge. And the last one, that is the eighth one. Dash some flowers in the basket. Some means more than one. Flowers, S is there, that also means more than one in the basket. So we are going to use A-R-E-R for some flowers, that is more than one flower. So we'll write here T-H-E-R-E there. A-R-E-R. There are some flowers in the basket. Okay, children. I repeat it once, children. There is a shop at the end of the street. There are many animals in the forest. There is only one sun in the sky. There are so many stars in the sky. There is a book on the table. There are several books in the library. There is an orange in the fridge. There are some flowers in the basket. Now children, we are on page number 102. We have the same question here. To use there is and there are. Read these sentences. There is a notice on the wall. A notice, that means one. S is not there. So a notice on the wall. So for one thing, we have used there is. And the next one, there are many swings in the park. Many means more than one. Swings, again S is there, that means more than one. So we have used here, there are many swings in the park. Now let's see what we have to do here. Now complete these sentences with there is or there are. The first one is already been done for you. There are some insects under the leaves. Some means more than one. Insects again means more than one, that is S is there, means more than one insects. So we have used here there are. Okay, now come to the second one, children. Now here is the second one. Dash a mouse behind the chair. Dash a mouse behind a chair. So how many mouse is there? S is there? No. S is not there. That means 1. Dash a mouse behind the chair. So what we are going to use for one mouse? There is. I-S is. So we will write here T-H-E-R-E there. I-S is. There is a mouse behind the chair. Okay, a mouse means one mouse. There is a mouse behind the chair. Now come to the third one. Dash a few bottles of water here. Children, don't get confused because A is written here. A means one, but few bottles. Few means more than one, and bottles again S is there, so that also means more than one. But when we say few, we also use a with it. A few bottles. Okay. So a few bottles. Few means more than one, and again S. Wherever S is there, that means it is more than one. So we are going to use here A-R-E-R. T-H-E-R-E there. A-R-E-R. There are a few bottles of water here. Okay. And the fourth one. Dash a railway station behind our house. A railway station. Can you see any S over here? No. A railway station means one railway station. So we'll write here. There is a railway station behind our house, because there is only one railway station. And the fifth one. Dash a rock in the middle of the road. Again a rock. S is not there. A rock means one. So we will write here I-S is. T-H-E-R-E there. I-S is. There is a rock in the middle of the road. Now come to the sixth one. Dash many mangoes on the tree. So how many mangoes are there? Many. Mangoes, S is there. So it is more than one. Many mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. So that means it is more than one. Many also means more than one. So what are we using for more than one? There are. There are many mangoes on the tree. There are many mangoes on the tree. Okay, so remember children, what you have to see, whether S is there or not after the word. S means more than one. Okay, if the thing is more than one, then we are going to use A-R-E-R. And if we are talking about only one thing or one people, then we are going to write I-S is. Okay. I repeat, there is a mouse behind the chair. There are a few bottles of water here. I repeat here children, few bottles means more than one. Okay, don't get confused because it is written a here. With few, we use the word a. We always say a few bottles. Few means more than one. Bottles, S means more than one. So we are going to write here, there are a few bottles of water here. Next one, there is a railway station behind our house. Fifth one, there is a rock in the middle of the road. There are many mangoes on the tree. At the end, I repeat children, if we are talking about one thing or one people, we will start the sentence with there is. And if we are talking about more than one people or more than one thing, then we are going to write there are. We will start the sentence with there are. Okay children.